Hey, what's up, guys? Tom from Xclusive Autoworks here. I'm going to be showing you how to take door handles as well as the door panel off on this 2026 G63. All right, first things first, we're going to pop this guy off here. You don't even need any trim tool. You can just, right there, save space. So you're going to have a bolt up in there. I believe it is a T25. That's our first one. Our next one is going to be in here inside this door cup. There is a small little slot there. You can put your little pry tool in there, pop it, and that will come right out. Our last one is going to be this one. Just be a little bit careful. This is hinged here, so there is a small tab that slides in this way. So you're going to want to start from this end. So you can kind of work your way into here. You can open that up, actually, and it will help you out. There's the first clip. There's your second clip. Pops out like that. And then I was saying there is the hinged piece right there. So when you put that back in, it will slide back into that slot and then through in your clips. Keep this in safekeeping. Our next step is, I gotta figure out which one it is first.
One eternity later.
Next step is gonna grab your T30 and we're gonna go all back into all those spots we popped the panels and take all those T30s out. You might need a magnet for one of these. It gets a little stuck up in there. And there's one. That's our first one. The next one's going to be inside that door handle. Grab your magnet. And the last one's going to be inside of where the other panel was that we popped out. Magnet. And that's our last one. Next step is going to be popping the door panel off. This is pretty straightforward. I'd say start at the bottom here. You can get a pry tool. I'm using a smaller little squeegee. And if you can get under there and pop the first pin, you just work your way all the way around. They are all pressure. Work your way around. From here, we do have the window lock here, so we are going to be pushing up. It is going to be a little tight because this does sit in the window. Next is going to be our door handle release. I don't know if you can see it. It's back here. We're going to want to pull out. It does sit in a small cavity of sorts. I can't get it out. Oh, there it is. So you pop it out, and then it does sit on like a small slide hammer like that. So that'll slip back in there when you go to put it back on. Our next steps are going to be popping off a few of these clips. First one's going to be this one. There's one. There's two. And our third one's going to be up here. And three. And your door panel is completely off. Lastly, to get this door handle out, we are going to have to take off some of this insulation. Mercedes does have this black silicone-like, instead of just it sitting on there, you are going to have to cut this. You're going to have to cut a good amount of it just to get access to the backside, to the backside There will be a point where you can just kind of give it a little bit of a pull, and it should just tear a little bit on you. Well, guess not. I lied. This is pretty much where you're going to need to be at. You don't really have to go much past that point. Once you have access, you can pull that through. You might have to get this a little bit further down, just because you're going to have to grab some access to this guy right here. So there is going to be a little bit of tape holding this on as well. These are for the wires in here. You could peel this up. Okay. Keep this in safekeeping. The door handle does have a small wiring harness on it. You can kind of trace it. You can see inside of the door panel, there's the wire right there. You're gonna have to trace it back. There are two little clips that it is held on with. The first one's gonna be this guy right here. It sits in this. It's kind of like a twist. You push it in and then twist it back. I'm gonna keep it out for now. I actually took the wrong one out. It's actually this one back here, kind of hidden, but that's all right. We're gonna put this one back in now while we can remember where it goes. Okay, so that one's back in. We have our other one back here. Same idea, but it is just sitting back here. Just a small clip. Pop that right out. So that disconnects this door handle. There is one more small clip that just holds this wiring to the inside of the door. You can take a pry tool and shove it behind the clip, and if you give it a little bit of a pull and a twist, it will just come right out. Alrighty, so now our handle is the harness for the handle is completely disconnected. We're going to come back and grab our T30. We do have one right here, and then the one on the side over here we are also going to be taking off as well. Last step is going to be taking those T30s out. So you're going to do the one right here. Okay. So I would, if you can, do this with two people. The handle's not going to fall out, but it is going to become very loose. I'm going to do it with one hand, one person. So keep that bolt safe. I'm going to keep it to the side and put it back in the handle. And then your second one is going to be the outside one. It's what holds our handle in the rest of the way. Okay. Do the rest of that by hand. And then your other one comes out and your handle completely comes out. Just feed your wiring harness through. You don't want it to get caught on anything. And I would recommend just throwing your bolts back in your handle just so you don't lose them. And that's going to be how to take the door panel and the door handles off a G63.